ano ka na, andun yung gamong asawa, sa tulog ka, pasali mo sa buhay, kunwari umiiyak-iyak, ano magandang sabihin? Mahal, wag ka naman talaga. Dadalawin naman kita gabi-gabi. Kaya nga, practice niya. Maganda rin naman yung pinapractice kung paano mamatay. Pwede naman yung malay na pagbigyan tayo. Last 2 minutes, Father Stephen. Anong sasabihin? Ang Panginoon na makaganda. Father, into your hands I commend my spirit. Papalabas pa rin. Hindi papasok. Pagbibigay pa rin. Pagpuro pa rin. The last words of Christ before He finally died out of exhaustion and suffering, this is one. Father, into your hands I commend my spirit. Sa inyong mga kamay, nilalagak ko na ang aking spirit. Pagkatapos niyang sabihin, my God, why have you forsaken me? Pagkatapos niyang sabihin, I thirst. Pagkatapos niyang sabihin, it is finished. Naduduluhan, tatay pa rin. Kaya napakaganda. Kanya habang pinapakinggan nito, this is not a painful death. This is a happy death. Because after finishing what he has to do, his mission, he was given that opportunity to return everything to the Father. Palabas pa rin. Ano mo, ano ba pinakamasakit na kamatayan? Anong sakit ba pinakamahirap? Pero kung doktor na nagsabi sa akin na pinakamasakit daw ay cancer. Lalong-lalo na yung cancer of the bone. Kapag ka daw sumakit yung cancer of the bone, buong katawan. Buong katawan. I had an uncle who died with cancer of the bone. And I was not there when he was crying during several months. But my auntie told me that when he cried at night because he could not sleep because of the pain, it was terrible. Cancer